Employee training tracking is the process of monitoring and managing employee learning and development activities within an organization. It helps ensure employees receive the right training, stay compliant, and continuously improve their skills. Using a well-designed Excel template makes it easier to organize schedules, track progress, and measure training effectiveness. So let's start exploring how to use this powerful employee training tracking template efficiently. So this is the main dashboard, clearly displaying interactive charts and several important key performance indicators using Excel's built-in features and dynamic data visualization tools. So this chart on the left represents the training session status distribution using a visual breakdown of 4 categories in the legend: completed, in progress, not started, and cancelled. It provides a quick overview of how training sessions are progressing, helping management identify areas needing attention and track overall training completion. So this chart on the right displays the training date status using a color-coded legend with 4 categories: still on time, overdue, dates approaching, and tracking time-lapsed. It helps monitor training schedules effectively, allowing quick identification of sessions that need rescheduling or urgent follow-up to maintain timely completion. On the right side of the dashboard, I have included a dynamic table that allows you to view and analyze the total training costs within a specified date range using Excel's SUMIFS function. Let's adjust the date range, and as you can see, the total costs for this period are automatically updated. Below this mini table, you can also observe the training tracking statuses filtered by a given date range. To do this, simply change the status in cell Q16 and then modify the dates in cells P17 and Q17. Additionally, I have incorporated shapes with embedded hyperlinks to facilitate easy navigation between worksheets. Click on the training tracking report shape to access the workbook report. If you want to learn more about creating and using Excel hyperlinks, please watch my tutorial on Excel hyperlinks. I have included the link in the description below. This is the employee training tracking report, which dynamically retrieves data from the training tracking records table using Excel's VLOOKUP function. I have also included 2 functional buttons that allow you to save this report either as a Word document or as a PDF file, utilizing Excel's macros features. To retrieve specific employee data, enter the employee's name in the designated input cell, and the corresponding row from the table will be displayed in this report using structured references. If the entered name does not exist in the table, the report will return an error. Therefore, always ensure that the employee name entered matches exactly with the names listed in column D of the training tracking records table. This table is utilized to display employee data in the report, where each row represents unique employee information, and structured references are used to maintain dynamic links. Additionally, I have incorporated functional buttons to streamline your workflow, enhancing efficiency and user experience within the Excel environment. Using a search button helps quickly locate specific employee records without manually scrolling through the entire dataset, saving valuable time. The Add Row button allows you to instantly insert a new row for entering employee data without disturbing existing entries or structure. A Delete Row button makes it easy to remove unwanted or incorrect employee data while keeping the table clean and organized efficiently. The Save as PDF button enables you to generate a professional and printable version of the evaluation report for secure sharing or archiving. The Save as Word button converts your Excel report into a Word document, allowing easy editing and formatting outside of Excel. The Filter Data button helps you narrow down displayed information based on specific criteria, making analysis and decision-making more focused and effective. Now, let's scroll to the Training End Dates column. If we change a date in this column, its corresponding status in the End Date Status column will automatically update using Excel's built-in formulas and conditional formatting rules. Additionally, the charts in the dashboard and the summary table values above this table will automatically update as well, reflecting the most recent data changes. I have also created drop-down lists and applied some conditional formatting in this table to streamline your work and enhance data visualization. Column V is designated for the training session status. Remember, we have a chart for this column on the dashboard, so if you also make changes to this column, the chart will be updated accordingly to display the current status distribution. This summary table is designed to display only the key indicators from the main table below, providing a concise overview of essential metrics. Now, let's go back to the dashboard, and immediately, as you can see, both of these charts have updated because we made changes in the main table, ensuring that the dashboard reflects the latest information accurately. Thank you for watching this overview of the employee training tracking template. As you've seen, this template helps you effectively manage and monitor employee training progress, costs, schedules, and statuses all in one place. It's a powerful tool for HR professionals aiming to streamline training operations and improve performance tracking. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And make sure to watch my HR Operations Workbook tutorial to see how these features work together in a complete HR system. See you in the next video.